Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's that 2025 BMW M2. It's currently in our detail shop. I'll get it out in the sunlight on Monday. Take another video of it as well as some pictures. Overall in great shape. Do a quick walk around here and we'll take a look inside. It does have PPF covering the front clip of the car, and it runs up to the top of the fenders here, almost not even noticeable. You can see a little bit of a cut line right there. Does not go up the A-pillar, but it is on the hood and front fender. A blemish that I notice on the outside here is right down on the passenger side of the spoiler. See that scuffing there? A couple of very small dimples here. Another small one here on this side as well. It almost looks like, given the symmetry, I'm not sure if there is an attachment point underneath there. Have a little bit of a lifting of the PPF right here. You can see that. Get over here. Just a little bit of bubbling in the PPF. It feels very smooth, but it does have just a couple of very small marks here, as you can see. If we go inside, back area here too. There's a 6-speed manual, which is awfully nice. As it sits, 1,381 miles. Happy to take more pictures, video of any other areas that a person might like to see. Reach out, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My direct number is 719-219-5016. Thanks for watching.